Welcome back to another video, and this video is quite a simple one: fuel pressure regulator. So what is a fuel pressure regulator? The fuel pressure regulator regulates the fuel pressure in the rail. It's like a little valve that opens at a certain pressure and releases the fuel back into the tank on the return. But if you want a higher pressure, then you can use obviously an adjustable fuel pressure regulator, or you can use a 4-bar pressure regulator or something like that. I mean, the standard is 3-bar. I'm changing mine to a 4-bar, and also it is a part that may fail. It's not that likely that they do fail, but it is something they can do. See, I had a cold start issue with this car, and for some weird reason it has sorted itself out, and I know it wasn't the fuel pump, because I put a new one of those in. You can see the video to that here, but I did order a new fuel pressure regulator, so I've ordered it, I've got it, I might as well use it. I went for a 4-bar one instead of the 3-bar one, just some sort of future proofing. The 3-bar probably would be fine, but it's obviously when we go for a really nice stage 2 map, I just want to make sure the engine has its best chance and no worrying about fuel starvation. So I did go for a 4-bar, and obviously it does need to get mapped. Obviously I'm going to be changing the injector as well, probably putting 630s in there or something like that as well, just so it's like something I've done, and that's all that sort of basis. I mean, the long-term plan of this is to forge the engine, put an AET 380 turbo on with a China fold is the plan at the moment. So sort of like just doing all those other little bits around all that at the moment while we can. I still need to do the put the V6 front bumper on. I need to move that somewhere, get out of the way, so I don't want that breaking. So that's going to have a little bit of modifications to get that on. So a bit of playing around with that. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I do have quite a big intercooler on this. I have the welly cooler, the 3-inch one, so it may cause an issue, but until we try doing that, we don't know. But anyway, so back onto fuel pressure regulator. Where is it on the car and how do we swap it out? It's very simple to do. It takes like 5-10 minutes to do, so it's only be a quick video. So engine cover, take that off here and here.
If you're enjoying these videos and find them helpful, why not give it a like and subscribe and turn your notifications on.
This out of the way, just put that cap back on. And the fuel pressure regulator is right here, so we have a fit in here, and then we just have this clamp here, and then that just lifts up. Let's get that out. But so this is the one I've got. It's a Bosch one, 4-bar. Very simple little thing, little valve there, vacuum there, not a lot to it, little valve that opens and closes. So let's get this on.
So just literally just pull the vacuum line off the top, just like that. I found using a little lever bar, or you could use a small screwdriver, just to help get that clip moving, and then just pull that off.
It's quite a stiff end, but it will come out. There we go.
You will notice loads of fuel sort of dripping out from the bottom of the fuel pressure regulator, so just hold it over the rail and let it all drip straight back into the rail.
That's that one out. Look pretty identical.
I could see a tiny little bit of dirt in there, so I gave that a nice little clean out.
So I've got it all nice and clean in there. So very simple. Just pop in the new one. Put your locking pin back in, and then your vac line. Sorted. I'm glad I changed it, because you can see the other one, it is got some dirt started to get trapped in that little filter. I mean, it might not show up on camera. It was also dirty where it sits in. There was lots of like debris of some sort of dirt in there, so that's all clean now, and the new one is on. Obviously, let's make sure it's gonna start. Might take a couple of times for the pressure to build up. On the button. So that's good. That's another thing that we know is new. So that is all you have to do for that. Very straightforward to do. Don't take 5 minutes, and that is replaced. And I'm glad I did do it because A, I know it's new, and B, I've cleaned out all that dirt that was stuck in the rail at that bottom bit. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show that because I just sort of cleaned it out. But yeah, much better. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.